Oh. Can you guys do this with us? Can you show us the Thai dance? Yung coach Thai dance? Oo, yung happy dance. Dali, kasama kayo. Dito tayo lahat. Dali, yung buhok natin.
Join.
Actually, gusto natin kayo lahat interview, kaya lang tatlo lang talaga upuan namin. Next year, makakaipon kami. Ayan. Sino magtuturo sa atin ng coach yung happy dance? Amy, can you show us the happy dance?
Itaas.
Itaas? Ay, ba't naiwan ka ang daya mo? Injured. Ay, okay. Sige, okay.
Okay, raise your left hand. And then raise your right hand.
Hindi na lang raise your hands.
And then touch the air. From running on the spot.